Meet Joaquin, our latest goatee transplant patient. Oh, eyebrows too on Joaquin here. He's got a thumbs up.
My experience is amazing.
What do you think?
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
She's still cleaning you up. What do you? Okay, you're really swollen.
Yeah, beautiful. I like the eyebrows, Edith.
You like the eyebrows?
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. The whole experience here is
Just
something.
don't touch anything.
No, I know, yeah.
It's gonna look fantastic. Oh, you look amazing. She's cleaning up Joaquin here. Joaquin, my favorite patient, of course. I mean, that doesn't mean I don't like my other patients, but right now he's my favorite.